In this video, I will show you how you can activate Hey Siri on any iPad. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and look for the option for Siri. Now some iPads might have the option for Apple Intelligence and Siri, but if you have the option for either of them, just select either Siri or Apple Intelligence. Now after you arrive on this page, then tap on Talk to Siri. Now just either select Hey Siri or Siri and Hey Siri. I will select Hey Siri. From here, just select Enable Siri, then tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, give directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. After that, just tap on Done. And after you do that, you will be able to enable Siri by just saying, Hey Siri. As you can see, we have successfully enabled Siri on our iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.